The UK has the worst breastfeeding rate globally. 90% mothers give up breastfeeding before they wanted to, due to physical, emotional pain and the lack of support. I'm Dr. Chen Mao Davies, the founder and CEO of Anya. Before Anya, I had a dream career creating stunning visual effects for blockbusters, including Gravity and Blade Runner 2049, winning Oscar and BAFTA awards. My life course has changed completely after I became a mother and experienced tremendous breastfeeding challenges. This has driven me to found Anya to revolutionize parental support using innovation and empathy. Anya is a pioneering app that utilizes 3D interactive technology to show women how to breastfeed intuitively using 3D avatars, virtual peer support groups, tailored antenatal and postnatal contents, and AI-powered virtual companion chatbots, leveraging one-to-one expert support to provide personalized expertise 24/7 during the first 1,001 days from pregnancy until toddlerhood. Our 6 months NHS pilot demonstrated a doubling of breastfeeding rate compared with national average. Over 60% of all user inquiries happen during out-of-office hours. We are proud to have supported parents from over 100 countries and are available to over 4.3 million NHS service users. Please join our mission of empowering all parents to give their child the best start in life. Thank you.